Hello everyone, this is Trevor Bates with PDS Equipment. Today I'm going to be doing another Rasterlink tutorial, and I'm going to show y'all how to create a job with multiple special plates. So we're going to create a job here today with primer, white, color, and clear on top. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the special plate tab, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select primer. With the primer, it varies on how much percent you want to use. Some products are better with 25% and some are better with 100. It just depends. This is something you guys need to test on the product you're actually printing. So for this test right here, we're just going to do 100%. I'm going to only want it underneath the pixels in this job, so I'm going to select valid. And then it doesn't matter when I'm doing multiple plates, whether it's on the top or the bottom. I just want to double check and make sure that this checkbox is not selected. Being that we're doing multiple plates, we do not want to composite this automatically. We're going to create every plate and then grab them all together and then put them in the correct order. So we're going to go ahead and hit create. So now we have our primer. Next, I'm going to create a white plate. We're going to do 100/100 on our density. We're going to do valid. And we're also not going to composite automatically. We're just going to go ahead and create this plate. Okay, now we have our white and primer and color. Let's go ahead and do our clear on top. And do 100% clear with a valid pixel only underneath the ink. And we're going to create that. So now what I'm going to do, now that those are created, I'm going to select the job. I'm going to hold shift, and I'm going to select all three of my special plates. I'm then going to come over here to the composition tab, which is right underneath special plate. And I'm going to look at the composition in the order they're laid out in. So this printer is always going to read from the bottom up. So right now it's showing me it's going to have clear, white, primer, and then color. That is not correct. We want primer on the bottom. So I'm going to grab primer and I'm just going to drag it to the bottom. Next, we're going to want white. So I'm going to select the white and then drag it. And then next, we're going to flip-flop these two here and have the clear on top. So now our composition is showing me primer, white, color, and clear. Make sure you do not composite these before you move them around. If you do, you will have to go back and decomposite them. So that is the correct order. It's reading from the bottom here up. I'm going to go ahead and composite these. It's going to say the print condition is different. That is okay. We'll say yes. Now it's already tied in all of my jobs. When you see these brackets, you know it is one job and it's ready to be printed. Next, all you'll have to do is come over here to rip and print your job. Once again, this is Trevor Bates with PDS Equipment. If you guys have any questions at all or need some help with this, feel free to give me a call, 615-866-7453. Thank you.